And bonus number two is very important because you want to do this. You want to turn your free deals into paid deals. Now, how do you do that? You ask. Okay, that's all you have to do is just ask. Okay, and you might say, "Hey, that sounded pretty easy. That's pretty dumb." But here's what you do. Okay, now if somebody is sending you products for free to review, and they like your videos, so they keep coming back to you. They've sent you two or three products, right? So now you turn around and tell them, "Listen, I love working with you, but I'm starting to get a lot of products coming in, and I'm getting paid for a lot of them now. I know you've been with me since the beginning, but I don't have time to do all of these videos. I'm going to have to do the ones that are getting paid. I'm not going to charge you the full fee that I'm charging them, but I'm going to charge you this fee." Okay, and then you give them the fee, and you see where it goes from there. Now, don't sell yourself short, because they might come back and cut that in half and say, "No, we can only afford this much." Right? So don't sell yourself short. Ask for what you think you need to get, and go from there. But all you have to do is ask.